Hello friend, welcome to a new video from Net. Here are the steps. This video I show you how to build your own cloud storage on Windows using Docker. Let's get started. First of all, you need to install WSL on Windows. Check the Windows subsystem for Linux option. Check the virtual machine platform option. Click the restart button. After restart your computer, you need to update the WSL kernel to the latest version. Use these steps. Next step, navigate to the Docker Hub website to download the free community version of Docker Desktop. Then, follow the installation process to allow the installer and wait till the process is done. After completion of the installation process, click Close and log out. We are now on the splash screen. Click Skip Tutorial. Let us move on to how to install ownCloud. Copy and paste the following command to download the ownCloud container. You will find this command in the description of the video. If the output is similar to the one seen above, your installation has been successful. Next, go to your browser and log into your ownCloud. The default username and password are admin. You can now upload files to your ownCloud storage. Next step, you need to set up a static IP address for your Windows PC. So go to your browser and enter the IP address with port of 8080. The default username and password are admin. We have now configured ownCloud to be accessible from our home network. Next step, you set up port forwarding for the ownCloud system. Find the port forwarding section. Usually you'll find this feature under the NAT settings. Create a new port forwarding that includes the following information. Service name, you can use any name. For example, ownCloud. Port, you must use port 8080. Enter your Windows IP address. Testing internet access. DDNS is a handy way for you to refer to a ownCloud server with an easily rememberable name, where the server's IP address is likely to change. DuckDNS is a free service which will point a DNS to an IP of your choice. Click Install at the top, for their guide. Choose the domain you're using for your DNS. Under Operating Systems, select Windows GUI. Next, go to etx.ca and download and install the software. You need Java installed on your computer to run this software. Start it, you should see a new tray icon appear. Right-click on the tray and choose DuckDNS settings. You should now see the settings screen. On this screen you must change your token and domain to be the one you want to update. Then click OK to apply the new settings. You should now see the new tray icon. When you hover the mouse over it, you will see some details of its current status. Testing internet access using domain to your ownCloud. At this point, you have completed the cloud system configuration. After setting up the ownCloud server, we set up the client. Here, I set up the client on Windows. Download and install the Windows Desktop Synchronization Client. Input your domain and port is 8080. Username and password are admin. You can now upload files to your cloud storage. Here, I set up the client on smartphone. Input your domain and port is 8080. Username and password are admin. You can now upload files to your cloud storage. As always, if you found this post useful, then subscribe to my YouTube channel. Help me 500,000 subscribers.